What's the weirdest thing you've seen happen at a friend's house that they thought was normal? When I was younger, my dad passed away. My mom remarried and had 2 more kids. I was moved into the unfinished basement when I was 10. My room had bare concrete walls, wood beams, and cement flooring, separated from the laundry area by a sheet. I used a heater and a dehumidifier because it was cold and humid. My parents didn't allow my friends over, and my siblings weren't allowed in my room. During family gatherings, I was told to use the guest room instead of my basement space. At the time, I thought it was cool because no one could mess up my huge room. Starting at 12, my family went on yearly vacations without me. I stayed home to watch the dog and the house. When I was 17, during one of those trips, I invited a friend over. They immediately pointed out how strange it was that my siblings had fully furnished bedrooms with TVs. There was a fully furnished guest room, and I was living in a basement with sheets for walls and bathroom mats on the floor. At the time, I dismissed it because it felt normal to me. It wasn't until I was 20 that I found out the family trips I didn't go on were paid for with money from my dad's passing. Some of it went to things I needed, but realizing how it was used has left me feeling pretty messed up. My siblings have no memory of the situation, and when I bring it up, they back my parents, saying we were raised right and that I opted out of vacations. The whole thing still bothers me.